डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान जंगबंदी तारीखी कारनामा करार दे दिया। वज़ीर ख़ारजा मार्को रूबियो को दोनों ममालिक के एजाज़ में इशाइया देने की हिदायत कर दी। रियाज में खिताब करते हुए वाज़े किया कि दो जौहरी ताकतों की लड़ाई में लाखों लोगों की जानें ज़ाया होने का खतरा तिजारती मराहत की पेशकश से टाला गया। पाक भारत के पास बहुत ताकतवर, मजबूत और ज़हीन क़यादत है। तशद्दुद रुक गया। उम्मीद है सिलसिला ऐसे ही जारी रहेगा।
Just days ago, my administration successfully brokered a historic ceasefire to stop the escalating violence between India and Pakistan. And I used trade to a large extent to do it. I said, fellas, come on, let's make a deal. Let's do some trading. Let's not trade nuclear missiles. Let's trade the things that you make so beautifully. And they both have very powerful leaders, very strong leaders, good leaders, smart leaders. It all stopped. Hopefully it'll remain that way, but it all stopped. I was very proud of Marco Rubio, all of the people that worked so hard. Marco, stand up. What a great job you did on that. Thank you, J.D. Vance. The whole group worked with you, but it was a great job. And I think they're actually getting along. Maybe we can even get them together a little bit, Marco, where they go out and have a nice dinner together. Wouldn't that be nice? But we've come a long way, and it's could be, millions of people could have died from that conflict that started off small and was getting bigger and bigger and bigger by the day.